Today, this is pretty much our third training. I think the training is phenomenal. The more training you get, the better you get at what you're trying to accomplish. So if you have some extra goals or something else in mind that you want to research, I think continuing the training is probably the best way to go. I think Lisa is outstanding. She's very knowledgeable, and when you look at doing a procedure one way, you're always looking for that different way of doing a procedure, and I think Lisa's probably more beneficial towards getting and learning something new. The PRX is beneficial to getting the prior to the laser procedure. It just adds benefits. It pops and glows your skin, and you just top it off with the laser treatment, and you'll get an amazing skin tightening. The plasma pen is a much better substitute, I think, for your patients that are looking for a quicker downtime, and I think the benefits and the results are much faster. I think your patients will be much happier with the results.